Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the intrusion switch, unlatch the side cover and slide it off the system. Identify the intrusion switch. Disconnect the cable and remove the switch. To reconnect the intrusion switch, place the switch back in the system and connect the cable. Slide the side cover back on the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.